Hey, folks, you're thinking about selling your home in 2025. Hey, the reality is sometimes when you may consider that if you're trying to get the biggest bang for your buck, it may take a little bit of work and a little bit of renovation. So if you're considering making changes to your home and renovating the property, we're providing free home renovation estimates. In fact, I made a note here that if you want to do a pre-listing renovation estimate, there's going to be a couple focuses that we want to focus on. One, we're going to focus on curb appeal, kitchen, baths, even the amenities of your physical property. Did you know that if you put in anywhere from $10,000 to $30,000, that could put as much as $30,000 to $90,000 net profit into your pocket? But you got to be strategic. Folks, when you're not making the right decision, the right areas, the right portions of the property, it can either attract somebody where they want to pay more money, or frankly, maybe distract where the money really didn't go as far as you hoped that it would. In doing this hundreds of times with hundreds of other people, we've been able to make strategic, really marketable changes to a physical home where anything from the flooring, the paint colors, the type of baseboard, the tile, the LVP flooring, inside, outside, details do matter. And it has made a change between us netting the most money versus maybe not making the profit that we'd hope. So if you're looking at putting your home on the market, please reach out to us today. I will make sure that number one, we're going to evaluate the physical property. Two, make recommendations that are going to be biggest bang for the buck for you. And three, guess what? We're going to have some contractors and vendors that will provide you pricing and information, third party, so that they can assist to know what it may help. And as a bonus, guess what? We have a 10,000 renovation program. I'll put up to $10,000 into your home if you just are saying, I don't really want to put the cash up. I don't want to get a loan. I don't want to deal with it. And we can work through those issues. Either way, we'll be your advocate. We'll be helpful. We'll just want to help you understand the dynamics, if it even makes sense to make any type of improvement on your physical property. Looking forward to being your advocate, your helper, help you through this process as we've done it so many times, not only with our clients, but also on my own personal projects and properties that I've done numerous times alone. So just know that we are here as a team to assist you. Looking forward to help you out. Please click the link below if you are looking to put your home on the market and you are considering the fact of maybe doing some renovations in the future. I will be happy to help you out. Thanks again. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.